right, good morning for this Wednesday, November 6th, and I want to show you how I use multiple time frame analysis to come up with trades for a stronger level of support or resistance, right? Confluence, if you will, okay? And we're looking at the 30-year T-bonds, okay, at US, right? At the @ sign US for 30-year T-bond futures, okay? Now, I'm going to show you, this is a daily chart, okay? And we're going to also flip to a weekly chart to show you how to really line up the signals, okay? Now, obviously on a daily chart, trend's been down, right? As you can see, the bars turned red right here, denoting a downtrend, and you could be selling any rally up into the what I call the blue action zone, okay? Blue action zone are nice sells as long as the market's making lower lows, right? Pulls up, makes a new low, pulls up, right? Blue action zone, finally takes out that low here, up blue action zone, another nice sell, nice little retester. So you had a lot of nice trades here, okay? So, but as you can see, right in here, this is where we're at right now. The bars turn from red to green right here. All right, red to green. All right, so now this is a 200 exponential moving average, and we're coming up to resistance, right? So let's draw some a Fibonacci retracement from this high up here down to the low on this chart. So there's two places on this chart that a weekly chart would confirm. All right. Now, number one, we'll take the most recent. Right here, look at this. The 38.2% retracement of this big swing from this high right up in here, the highest high that you see on this chart right now, the highest high drawn down to these lows. The 38.2% Fibonacci retracement right in here. That's resistance. Also, look at how close it is to that 200 moving average. So this area is a resistance area. Now, let's take a look at a weekly chart to see if there was confirmation of a resistance level in a larger time frame, okay? So let's go to the here. Now look at the weekly chart, right? A weekly chart. Well, the bars turned red down in here. And look at where the market is. Remember, this is the 38.2% retracement from where we measured on the daily chart, which is this high. This happens to be this high, down to this low. The 38.2% retracement, right? Look at that. Between the blue and gray action zone, really close to that 50 exponential moving average right in here. See? So the 38.2% on a daily chart, smack dab between the blue and the gray action zone right in here. So this was a great place to look for a short. Okay, so that's one example, right, on this particular chart and time frame. The weekly chart sets up for a beautiful sell because you had a daily chart that lined up beautifully with the resistance level on a weekly chart. Now take a look over here at these lows. This is a 200 exponential moving average off of a week. Remember, this is a weekly chart, right? A weekly chart. 200 exponential moving average, right? That's a support zone, right? You would expect a bounce from that level. Well, we want to hone in and look at a daily chart. Look at the daily chart. I mean, this is classic, right? I mean, we've got a classic double bottom in play. We put a low in here. Rally up, come down. We test that low to the tick, okay? We test it to the tick. We had an inside bar here, followed by a bullish outside or a bullish engulfing pattern right in here. So you had two price patterns while testing this low, looking for the move up. So a daily chart gave you a buy signal, right, a counter trend against the overall trend, because on a daily chart, the trend is down. So this buy right in here, this buy would be considered a counter trend trade against the trend, right? So a daily chart set up nicely based on price patterns, a retest of a significant low right here. And again, you flip it to a weekly chart, and you're sitting there at the 200 exponential moving average. Now, if you were to measure, now if you were to measure from this low here, again, I use TradeStation, so you click on the fib tool here. If it's a buy retracement or you're looking for support, you're going to click it on the low, drag it up to the high. Take a look at those big fibs off of a weekly chart. Right? Again, we measured from this low to this high. Okay? Right? From this low up to this high. Look at the 50% retracement, real close to where we came in at. Right? At the 200 exponential, real close to the 50. So you see two places here where the daily and the weekly lined up beautiful. Right in here for a sell and right in here for a buy. And again, if you flip it down to a daily chart, you can see those same points lining up beautifully right next to that 200 for a short, at that 38% right in here. And on this buy, look at that beautiful, beautiful textbook, right? Retest of this low. Again, you had an inside. 2 bars later, you had a bullish engulfing pattern for this buy setup right in here, which lined up beautifully with that weekly chart. All right, hope that helps you in your own trading. Have a great day, and be sure to go to the tradingconceptsinc.com. Go to the top and click that link where you get the free 3-video series with myself, Doc, and Dave. Have a great day. Bye for now.